Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Green Kitchen channel. Today, we will be making some incredibly easy and delicious whole wheat pancakes that require very few ingredients, which many of us probably already have at home. Let's see how to prepare them right away. In a large bowl, pour 130 grams of whole wheat flour and 130 grams of all-purpose flour. In this case, I used these two types of flour, but you can substitute them with your preferred flours. I would only advise against rice flour and buckwheat flour because the pancakes won't hold together as they should. Add 6 grams of baking powder, which is about a heaping teaspoon. And then add 4 grams of salt, which is about a level teaspoon. At this point, add 300 grams of plant-based milk. You can use any milk you prefer or even water. We tried it with both, and they turn out equally well. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar or sweetener of your choice. Finally, flavor the mixture to your liking. I used a little bit of cinnamon, but you can also use vanilla extract or whatever you prefer. Now it's time to cook them in a flat-bottomed, non-stick pan. Pour 2 generous tablespoons of batter into the pan, and remember to keep the flame as low as possible. When you see bubbles forming on the surface, roughly like this, flip the pancake. Once it's cooked on the other side as well, remove it from the pan and start with the next pancake. The first pancake always turns out a bit less appealing than the others, so don't worry. The cooking time is approximately 1 minute per side, but this depends on the size of your stove and the intensity of your flame. Once you've finished the entire batter, here are our ready-to-eat pancakes. I made 2 versions. The first one is healthier and more indulgent in my opinion, topped with classic maple syrup and some fruit of your choice. The second version is with hazelnut spread and brown sugar. I will share the recipe for the hazelnut spread later on. With the measurements I provided, you'll get around 8 to 10 pancakes, which can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 days or frozen if desired. As always, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I invite you to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our upcoming recipes. And also, follow Green Kitchen's profile on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you very soon in the next video here on the Green Kitchen channel.